Citing taxation treaties with foreign countries, the government has told the Supreme Court that it cannot disclose details of foreign accounts held by Indians. But petitioner Ram Jethmalani has slammed the government's stand, alleging it's an attempt to shield those who stash black money abroad. Despite taking a similar stand, even the Congress is now attacking the NDA government, and now the BJP has come out in government's defense.
हमारे दावे बिल्कुल वही हैं, हम उसी बाबत काम कर रहे हैं। हमने कहा था हम कालाधन वापस लाएंगे, इसीलिए इस सरकार का जो पहला काम था वो एसआईटी बनाना था कालाधन को लेके, वो हमने बनाया। और आपने देखा कि इस प्रकार से स्विट्जरलैंड में जो मीटिंग हाल फिलहाल में हुई है, स्विट्जरलैंड ने भी ये कहा है कि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो हिंदुस्तान की सरकार के साथ टाइम बाउंड मैनर में शेयर करेगी। यह भी हमारी सरकार की जीत है। और आज जहां तक सरकार ने कोर्ट में जो कहा है वो एक ट्रीटी के अंतर्गत कहा गया है, क्योंकि पहले से ही जब यूपीए की सरकार थी, जो लाइसेंसिंग बैंक है उनके साथ जो ट्रीटी साइन किया गया था, डबल टैक्सेशन अवॉइडेंस ट्रीटी, उसके अंतर्गत किसी के भी नाम को उजागर नहीं किया जा सकता है। हाँ, अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति के खिलाफ केस होता है तो उसके नाम को उजागर किया जा सकता है। कोई भी सरकार हो, अगर विगत सरकार ने कोई समझौता या करार पे हस्ताक्षर किया है, उसकी मान्यता को रखना पड़ता है।
It vindicates the UPA government's position and exposes the BJP government and its leadership, including that of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of hypocrisy and misleading the people of India. There is an agreement or a treaty between the two countries, and you have to go by the terms of the agreement. In fact, we will hold them to account. Narendra Modi ji had promised the people of India that within 100 days he will get the black money or the money which is stashed abroad back into the country. And he had given an astronomical figure of 85 lakh crores.
Government of India has filed an application today in the black money case requesting the court to grant some clarifications and some modification of its earlier order, whereunder all the accounts in relation to Liechtenstein were ordered to be disclosed to Mr. Jethmalani, and obviously now they are in public domain. What we have requested the court is that the reciprocating have raised an objection, explain why all accounts are closed, not only those who should be filed.
This government's approach, I don't know, but I'm talking of the finance ministry's approach and his answers to questions in parliament. What he's trying to do is to use the double taxation avoidance treaty, which has no application to crooks of the kind who have looted this country. It has something to do with honest businessmen who are liable to tax on the same income in two countries. It has nothing to do with these crooks.